that Valentine's Day in Germany and Austria, or at least in Austria, it's not that big of a thing. It never really has been. I think we Austrians don't care much about Valentine's Day here. It's not really common to celebrate it. I think if you're in a relationship, then you may just see it as an opportunity to give your girlfriend flowers. But yeah, it's not really that big of a thing. Yeah, Japan really made a big thing out of it, but they also really changed the way it's originally celebrated from where it originated, I suppose. But I like the way they do it. Cause like, let's say in America or in Europe as well, the men give the girls flowers and chocolate. It's always the men, not always, but like most of the time, it's the men giving the woman something as a present to make them be happy and all that. So I think it's nice how in Japan, Valentine's Day is about girls making chocolate for the boys. And it's not just buying chocolate, but also mostly making it themselves. Making the chocolate on your own is not really something that the guys in Western culture would consider, I think. Just buy some fancy pralines, which they might even taste better than the self-made ones. But still, self-made is pretty... makes it pretty special, don't you think? Yeah, I think that's really lovely. One could actually learn from Japan in this case and copy them. What I don't think they adapted well is Christmas. Because for Christmas, Japan is like, let's go get fried chicken and cake. Fried chicken from KFC or so, and we good. It's like, ah? And also, it's not a family day, it's a lover's day in Japan. Valentine はね、日本の方が好きだけど、クリスマスは日本はちょっとおかしいんじゃないかなと思う。From a business perspective, Christmas in Japan is a big selling day for us. そう、なんかね、フライドチキン、唐揚げを食べるっていうのはね、もうちょっとちゃんとした食べ物食べようよってキアラが言うのもあれだけど、クリスマスにはね、もうちょっと豪華な食べ物食べてほしい。It's a nightmare for us. Oh, because you're either gonna be putting in a lot of over hours or you're gonna be the one eaten. Yes. Understandable. That is terrifying.